How to set up a newsletter in Mailchimp. Your first step is creating an account and an audience. So simply sign up and then create your audience. In order to create an audience, all you need to do is from the home page, head over to audience. And once you're an audience, go ahead and click on audience here. It's going to open up the audience menu. And then once the contacts menu on Mailchimp open up, once the audience menu is open, go ahead and click on add contacts, and then you can import from another service, upload a file, copy and paste. So directly paste in new contacts from a spreadsheet or a similar list. So we can go ahead and select the upload a file option or copy and paste. So we can go with copy and paste here and then click on continue. And then go ahead and enter the email address, first name, last name. Just go ahead and fill it in as you would normally. So just paste it in here. And once you're done, go ahead and click on continue. And then click on continue. And then you can go ahead and create a tag for them. So just follow the prompts on your screen. And then lastly, review and complete your import. All right, so once you're done here, just head over to where we have create and click on it. And then click on the email drop down. So go ahead and click on email and select the drop down. And then go ahead and select regular. Once you have selected regular, you're asked to create an email. So let's just go enter an internal email name. And then go ahead and click on begin. And then you're asked, how do you want to design your email? You can select a basic layout or a full design template. So let's click on open this in the new tab. All right, so once you have selected how you want to design your email, if it's from scratch or a basic layout, or rather fully designed template, if you're going for a fully designed template, which I went for, you're going to have to upgrade in order to, customize your template. But other than that, if you were to simply close out of this prompt here, and now all you need to do is where we have recipients, you can now select the recipients you want to send to. That's people that have emails. So you can click on add contacts to simply add new contacts to the platform. By default, the to section is already cleared up and the from is from your email. And then you can also include a subject line for your email. And then the send time is we're sending right now. And then you can design your email. So in order to design it, we had already opened this in a new tab, but you're going to need to own an upgraded Mailchimp in order to design this newsletter and include your company name, logo, and other information. But you can click on preview to simply preview it. But once you're done designing your email, it's going to appear here. Just go ahead and click send, and it's going to be sent to the various accounts. Thank you.